Hello all, welcome to the FarmSheet web application demonstration. This is a simple demonstration to show that what we have done so far. So this is the front-end view for the customer, that means the farmer. So currently the students engaged in this project are based from India and Sri Lanka. So we selected these three languages due to that, Sinhala, English and Tamil. We needed to show that our application now has the capability of supporting multiple languages. So for the simplicity, I'm going to choose English, and then we are coming to the login page. Even we know that we don't have an account here. Let's check whether it's working properly or not. So I have to insert a mobile number and password. So I'm giving a mobile number and dummy password and check whether I can log in or not. But it said the account does not exist because we haven't registered in here yet. So there is another option to forget password. If you forget your password, you can reset your password from here. So to do that, you have to enter your email address. So I'm giving my email address and check whether it's working or not. But it's not working because we don't have an account yet. So the email address is not available. So it says in the selected email is invalid. So let's go back to the login, and that means we have to sign up. Otherwise, we cannot log into the system. So I have to enter my mobile number and email, and I have to enter password. I'm entering password, and it says I have to enter the same password, but for the testing purpose, I'm giving a different. Let's check what's happening. Oh yeah, it says password confirmation does not match. So I have to give in the exact same password into the confirmation field as well. So okay. Okay, now we are getting a email confirmation pop-up notification saying Link have sent to your email. So we have to check our email. So I'm not going to my email. Otherwise, I'm going to log into the system using the same password I have given. So it asking a mobile number, the given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm giving the password. It says, please verify your email to proceed. If you are not going to the your email account and verifying the email, you cannot log into the system. So I'm going to my email. There's a email from the farm sheet, and this is the verification link. So I'm going to click the make, and it says now registration verification successful. Please log in now. So now I hope I can log into the system. Let's check whether it's working or not. Yeah, now I logged into my account. This is the your profile section. You can update your profile settings from here. So you can give your name, address, and contact phone numbers, and something your ID number, your gender, and your districts. So currently we have entered the dummy data from the database side. Since this is the customer portal, still we haven't implemented the backend portal for the administration. So it's a dummy. These are dummy data. So I'm giving bank account number and the branch name. So as we mentioned in our document, customer should have the capability of request a claim request and insure their land once they have a disaster to their land. So that means you have to insert your bank account details to get the money back to your side. So I'm saving the changes, and it says the user created successfully. Okay, so if you need to edit your profile again, once you need, you can go to that section again, update the fields from here. And you have the capability to reset your password as well. And you have to give your current password to here, and you have to give your new password and the confirmation password, and then submit. Yeah, it says password reset successful. So once you are logging back again, you have to give your new password. So after you're done with the profile section, you have to go to the address sector. So that's the page. You have to enter your land information. So you have to insert the data about your current farming land. So I'm giving a dummy data as a test land and giving my personal email address and dummy district, division, and council division. These 3 columns we have to update, and this should be something like similar to your state and the city, and this similar to your country, something like a Wayne country, and how many acres in your land, and yes, land, and the ownership of your land is a fully owned or rented. And this thing also we have to implement. This is the feature we are going to implement to mark your land in a Google map. So currently we haven't implemented the Google API. We just created the user interface only. So it's not working for now. So, but after implementing this information, you can save the information that says land creation successful. After creating your land, you have the options. This is the given land name. And you have the option to enter what are the things you are cultivating in your field. You can add your paddy, potatoes, and these are the dummy data we have entered from the backend side, because still we haven't deployed the backend. And for the testing purpose for this demonstration, I'm going to insert paddy, and you can select the type of your paddy and the season of you are cultivating, and what is the date of you are planning to start, and expected harvest date, and how many area you are planning to cultivate from your entire land. And you can save type from here, propagation successful. If you need to add another, you can add from here. So I'm adding another one. And after you completed with the adding the paddy, you have to select add done. And if you need add another field, I have to go there, and I'm going to add a cattle as well. So you have to insert the data to how many months you need to insure your cattle, and the type of your cattle, and the age of your current cattle, and the tag numbers of them. And if you need another cattle, you can select from here. Currently, this is the only data we have. So, and I'm done with data. And in here, you can see that there is a view options. So once we are clicking the view option, there is no data yet because we haven't inserted. So I'm going to save this and okay. And now I'm going to view. So these are the data we have inserted. So that's all right. So I'm done with adding the carols. If you need another, you can go back there. And if you don't need to, you can no. So this is the your land and your land information from the left pane. And when it comes to right hand, these are the insured categories in your land. These are the categories in your land. And if you need to edit your land again, you can go there and change the status. And if you need to go to the add more categories into your land, you can go there. And if you need to check the information of your categories, you can there. You can see that in the left side, these are the season, your category names, and what's the starting date and how many areas you are cultivating. And when it comes to the right side, you can see that insurance number, insurance premium. There aren't any values from here because we haven't created any claim request yet. So I'm going back to my home page, home, and this is the view for the home. When you're coming to the home, and that means the dashboard, and you can see your test land from here, and pending policy, nothing in here. And I'm going back to my land, created land, and so when you scroll down, there is a section to show that your insurance history. There is no data from here. So since we have added 2 insurance categories, let's say our farming field has faced a disaster. So now I need to make an insurance request or something. So I'm going to my land section in here. So you can see the same details in here. What are the categories you are having? And sorry, I did one mistake. I'm going back here. So this is not the section to once you are facing to a disaster, and this is the when you are joining with that company, you have to enter your data, what is the current categories and the information about your land. So once you are registered with them, you have to make insurance. So there's the option to claim your insurance as well. So for now, this is the request insurance part. So you can, once you are done with the adding all the information, you can create the insurance from here. And so now I'm sending the insurance. So after we implement the backend admin, I mean the administration part can see the insurance request from their panel, web panel. So yeah, we are planning to implement that. And it redirects to the homepage. In the homepage, you can see what are the pending policies. The state of this policy is pending because the admin hasn't verified or approved the request yet. So you can see that you are getting a pending reference number for your insurance request, and you can see the information from here. And I'm going to my email again. So I got a new email that says new insurance request, the farmer name and the land name, and this is the I made a insurance request. So and if you need to add another land to your account, you can go to that field again, add the categories, and then make the insurance request as we did again. And yeah, that's all for the current our web application, and we will see you again with the completed full project. Thank you.